Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade mayonnaise. Let's get started. I'm using a whisker. You can use a blender. Add everything together and gradually add the oil until you get the consistency that you want. So we're going to whisk it up until well combined. We're going to start adding the oil gradually. You stop adding the oil when you get the consistency that you want. If you want it thicker, you keep adding the oil. It doesn't have the measurements. Oil. It has started to thicken, as you can see. You keep adding the oil until you get the consistency that you like. Let's add some juice, more lemon juice. Oil. Can you see that now? Can you see that? It has started to thicken. You're gonna add a pinch of salt. Okay. If you want it thicker, we'll add more oil. Look at that. Look at that. Oil. Until you get the consistency that you desire. You see that? We have our mayonnaise and the color is so beautiful. It has the the yolk and the white parts in it. Okay, in another recipe I'm going to be teaching you how to make mayonnaise again with the yolk only. I want it thicker. I think we have a good consistency. I think we have a good consistency here. Okay, it's very thick. Okay, I want you to share this video, subscribe. So our mayonnaise is ready. Look at the peak. Okay, it's ready. Come to the end of our video. Today we made homemade mayonnaise. Can you see that? It turned out beautiful. The color is amazing. We used both the white egg and the yolk, everything, the whole egg. Okay, look at it. It's homemade, it's fresh. You can store it in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. Store it in an airtight container for 2 weeks. Okay, yes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you once again in my next video. Please share this video, comment, ask any question that you want, and I will reply. God bless. Bye.